At Cranbourne East Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people, on which we stand today, and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders, past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. Well, I have some very exciting news to share with you. During the week, we had 5 basketball teams participate in the hoop time competition at the Casey Stadium, and I'm really proud to announce that the All-Star Girls team won the competition and now progressed to the next level of competition. The All-Star Boys team will run us up, while the remaining 3 teams achieved success with many other wins on the day. So I want to say a really big thank you, congratulations, children. The reports I heard about sporting skills, behaviour, manners, attitude was absolutely outstanding. So well done. You are a credit to not only yourselves, your families and the school. My next point is Term 4. Well, this is our second last week. Next week, our last week of school, and then we head into the holidays. But when we return in Term 4, it is a requirement for all students to be wearing hats, not only on the way to school and the way home from school, during recess and lunchtime, and any time you are taking part in outdoor activities. So remember the importance of wearing a hat to protect us all from those harmful effects of the sun. SWPBS next week, in all settings, we're focusing on the value of resilience, and that is we ask for help when needed and we attempt all tasks. And I know we are really good at that, all really good at that at this school. One thing I want to share with you, I had many visits during the week from students, but Mr. Silverman brought some students up, Dylan and Sadeep, Sammy and Dashika, to show me the work they've been completing in science on batteries, globes, wires, making circuits, and I was absolutely amazed. I was impressed, so impressed with the lighthouse and also the light and all those lights. The circuits were operated by switches. You can turn the lights on and off at any time. So well done, children. Some fantastic thought and energy went into those projects. My last announcement is SWPBS to announce the term winner. I know we've seen some absolutely fantastic behaviour and conduct around the school from our students. You can see there's many stickers being going out there to the children. And the winning team with 5,500 points is Donnelly. So congratulations, Donnelly students. Congratulations all students, and Donnelly, you'll be participating in the end of term activity. Well, that's all from me today. Have a wonderful weekend. Remember to read every single day, every single evening, and stay safe. And if you're riding around on scooters and bikes, make sure you ride safely. And remember to have that helmet secure under your chin. All right, thanks everyone, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Go.
Hello, well, it's everybody's favourite time of the week, time for a giggle. Who's ready for a joke? What do you call two witches living together? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Okay, what do you call two witches who live together? Broommates. Have a great week, everyone. I hope you had a laugh and a smile and enjoy the rest of your week.
It's Nasser and I speak Farsi and I'm gonna learn you how to speak Farsi. So hi is Salam and bye is Khurafist. And this is how you say hi, how are you? And this is Salam alaikum to khobi, or you could say to khobistim, like, and you could say to khobistim for are you good or something, and that's all.
Hello everyone, I am Miss McVean and I speak another language. I speak Japanese. Today I'm going to tell you how you say hello, so konnichiwa, and good morning, ohayo gozaimasu. Bye.
We ask for help when needed. අවශ්‍ය අපි උදව් ඉල්ලමු. We attempt all tasks. සියලු වැඩ කිරීමට අපි උත්සාහ කරමු.